Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Live in the Classroom. I'm Erica Fernandez with CCISD Communications, and we're live in Miss Edwards' 8th grade science class today. We're excited to see what you guys have for us. What are y'all learning about right now in the semester?
So right now we're learning chemistry is our major unit, and right now we're going to be deciding, are we looking at chemical reactions or physical reactions? We have about 9 different experiments set up around the room that they're going to do.
All right, and so what type of experiments will we see today?
So we're mixing different chemicals together, household chemicals, so that we're not using anything that's, too horrible, but just some basic kitchen chemicals at each station. They're going to mix these things together, and they have about 6 signs of a chemical reaction they're looking for. And if they see an evidence of a chemical reaction, they can mark it as a chemical reaction. If they don't see those evidences, they're going to mark it as a physical reaction.
How is the lesson that we're learning today, how is it preparing them for, because they are 8th grade, right? So how is it preparing them for high school?
This is leading into their high school chemistry class. And so when they get to chemistry in high school, they're getting the basics of chemistry. So when we get there and they focus on the big experiments that they're going to be doing, they'll be ready to go.
All right, well, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, I'm going to move this way. All right, so just like yesterday, okay, this is day 2 of your lab. How many stations did we make it through yesterday? We made it through 3. Okay, we have 9 total, so we want to get through as many stations as we can, right? We have approximately 5 minutes at each station. I'll have my buzzer set. When the buzzer goes off, that's going to be your indication that we're going to clean up. Then we'll have about 2 minutes to clean up, and we'll revolve to our next station, okay? You have your directions at each station. You're going to follow those directions as written. You're going to clean up your station at the cleanup time, and then you revolve to the next one. On your handout, you're going to note any evidences of a chemical reaction, okay? How many evidences did we have on the front? When you wrote them on the front of your handout, how many evidences did we have, Braden? On the front of your handout, how many did we write down? How many, Benjamin? 6. We have 6 on the front of your handout. We numbered 1 through 6, right? What are some of those evidences on your handout from yesterday? What do you got, Benjamin? Bubbles is 1. What's another evidence of a chemical reaction? Elon? Precipitate. A precipitate. Okay, a precipitate is a solid when 2 liquids come together and form a solid. What do we got, DeAndre? Light. We got light. If light is produced. Mason, what do we got? Temperature. A temperature change. What else? Color. A color change. What's our last one? Smell. If you get a bad smell, right, you know a chemical reaction has happened, right? Okay, those are the signs you're looking for to see if a chemical reaction has taken place. Okay? All right, at this time, we're going to need to get goggles. Okay, so I'm going to need 1 person from each station to come up to my goggle cabinet and get goggles for your group. Yes, please. All right. David, were you asking for an extra sheet? Yes, ma'am. All right. All righty. There you go. Does that work for you? All right. All right. Go ahead and you got goggles for everybody? All right. All right. Since I don't, I have this station right up here open, so you 3 are going to start at station I right up here. So why don't you come on up here with your stuff? You're going to start here, and I'll guide you through this to get you started on the handout, okay? Since you guys were absent yesterday. All right, all goggles should be on. All goggles should be on, right? You got it? You looking good? You looking good? All right. Yeah. Excellent, excellent. Who were you working with yesterday? Did you have anybody you were working with yesterday? Do you want to work with you want somebody to work with you today? Would it make it better? Okay, good. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, everybody good? Oh, look at that. Safety, safety. Hey, everybody's got to have goggles. I got to have mine on. All right. Ugh. Okay, now we're ready. All right, you are going to follow the directions at your station. I'm going to set the timer. We're going to have 5 minutes to do the experiment. After 5 minutes, we're going to clean up. Okay? Go. All right, you guys are good. Just like yesterday. Just like yesterday. Start my timer. All right. Do you guys need a little more calcium chloride? I'll get you a little bit more. Here, let me see your beaker and I'll refill it for you. Yeah, I'll get you a beaker. What's up? So you want to fill the pipette full, okay, and then drop it in there. Does that make sense? Okay, give me just a second. There you go. There you go. And then, yeah.
Put it in 3 times.
There you go. Perfect. She just love the smell of vinegar. Ooh, are you feeling any kind of temperature change down there? Right. Very good. Very good. All right. Oh, very good. So what color did the iodine start as?
It went from blue to black.
Well, when it right out of the bottle though, what color were we looking at?
Blue.
Brownish.
It's like a light brown, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
And then when it's touch the cracker, it's like a bluish black. Okay? All right. Very good, very good. All right, how you doing? All right. So let's make sure, how much milk are we supposed to put in? We're going to do 3 droppers full, right? So go ahead and add some more milk to that. Go ahead and add some more milk to it. There you go. Very good. Oh, no. Okay. There you go. And then one more. And now how much vinegar? Or what are we looking at? Yeah, vinegar. There you go. And then you're going to wait about 2 minutes and you're going to see, and it shouldn't take a full 2 minutes because luckily our milk's been sitting out, okay? And so you're going to look and see if you find any of those evidences from the front of your page, okay? All right. All right. So, did you feel it?
Yeah, it's like a little bit like dusty.
No, did you feel it? That's room temperature water, right?
Yeah,
So what does that feel like? Is that colder than room temperature? So we had an unexpected temperature change, right? Ah, okay. Okay, how about your baggie? What happened with this one?
Hot. It got really
Did it? Yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that one's good. That one's
That's
good.
my paper, bro.
All right. Did y'all do yours already? This is like my favorite station. It's like the most colorful. Put your goggles on. They have to be on the whole time. There you go. All right. All right. How are we doing? Oh, okay. Yeah. You're good. Okay. So you're going to use this sink over here when you clean up, and there is a bottle brush. The brown one is the one that cleans it up the best. All right. How are we doing? Did we get one to work? All right. So now we want to start pouring. Okay. So when you pour from the edge, you want to pour slowly. See if we can get that to start coming up. You did a good one. He's got dancing legs. Oh, he's dancing. Oh, look at that. That was perfect, Taylor. His head's a little stuck. Other than that, he's good. All right, perfect. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, that's a good one to clean it up with. All right, so now we have about 2 minutes to clean up our station, okay? What does the last line of your directions say? Look at the last line. Ah, there you go. The big trash cans are fine, okay? All right.
Was it supposed to be, the station was supposed to be clear? Was it supposed to be pink or clear? Because I got, mine was clear, his was pink.
Well, did y'all use different markers?
We used the same
Okay.
colors.
But it's different markers, though. But they're different markers, right? They're not exactly the same. Ah, okay. All right. How's it? Oh, very good, very good. Very good. All right.
It's physical change, right?
I can't confirm or deny today. We will do that. We will do that on Monday. He tried to escape. Look at him. He went over the edge. Y'all, we could have a whole documentary in here. We could do that.
We put a
That was only because that was the one you started at, yeah. So when they started yesterday, we put a star next to the station they started at so they knew where they were. Yep. Let's see, it's day 2. See, we're good. You get to do that. All right, so if you guys will fill the beakers up real quick before you go, and then we'll be ready for the next group. Your goggles have to stay on all the time, ladies. They have to be on for the whole lab. Okay? Taylor, go ahead and put your goggles on, please. There you go. All righty. All right. Okay, we should not have moved. Hey, Julian, we have not moved stations yet. We have not moved stations yet. Gentlemen, we have not moved stations yet.
Julian, you missed.
Gentlemen, we haven't finished cleaning up yet. We have not moved. Okay? Hey. Julian?
It made it in, I
Julian,
promise. Man.
that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, all right. All right, ladies, you good? All right, okay, go ahead and revolve one station. Go to your next station. So, ladies, yours is going to be station A right here in the middle. Okay? You're going to be right in the middle for station A. Okay, for this group, I need you guys down here in front of the trays and stuff instead of in front of where there might be a power strip. All right? You're going to want to make sure when you start this station that the plates are dry and that your beakers are full. Okay? So let's go ahead and fill the beakers up with water. Yeah, you're going to need, you'll need the water. All right, read your directions. Elon, I think you have the directions in front of you. One copy of them.
Dry erase marker contains and gently draw a stick figure on the middle of the plate.
Do you want me to do that?
Okay, before you draw, you want to make sure your water's ready to go because you want to pour your water pretty soon after you draw your stick figure. Okay? That way you'll get your best result. All righty. And here's some extra right there. Okay.
And then
What's up? Oh, I can get you some. Right here. Is your station out of them?
Yeah.
Here you go, bud. You got it. Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, hold on. Whoa. On your directions. Okay.
then
You measured really good, but then,
it's the wrong thing.
what's this?
Petri dish.
So let's get a petri dish.
Is it this one?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So you want to pour the milk into the petri dish.
Oh, right.
There you go. All right, now you can add your colors. You can add like 2 drops of every color if you want to.
Can we add 5?
If you're going to use every color, I would use 2. Otherwise, you'll have too many. Because it just says with one
We're
color.
gonna do blue and red.
There you go.
Come on, Brandon, 3.
Now what
As
do we
opposed
do?
to like keep on going and spreading.
Well, what's next on your directions?
Carefully put the soap.
Give me a Q-tip.
Please, give me a Q-tip, please, right?
Yes, ma'am. Can I please have a Q-tip?
Oh, that's very good, very good. That's probably pretty good. All right, what are we going to do with the Q-tip? What does it say?
Well, Miss Edwards, what's going
No.
on?
Oh, someone already had soap in the dish. Go ahead and add more to it.
Man, this thing got hot.
There was soap left in the dish.
Oh.
I
Yeah.
saw it, but I didn't think it would matter.
Yeah. There you go. All
Is that
right.
a chemical?
That's what you're going to have to tell me based on the evidence you've seen.
That's physical.
You're going to tell me. Cite your evidence and tell me on your handout.
Chemical then, Jason. Come on now.
But look, you have a list of evidences here, so you're going to use your evidence.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We were just live in Miss Julie Edwards' 8th grade science class at Bayside Intermediate School. That's it for today's Facebook Live. We'll see you guys next time.